They asked me why my bathroom was so fragrant. Look at the secret. To start this recipe, I will use 2 soaps to facilitate the preparation. I will also grate completely, thus facilitating the dilution of the soap. I'm sure you've never used soap this way. You'll be surprised once it is at this point. I will put the soap that we grated directly into a pan. This tip yields a lot. Do not worry about the amount of ingredients used. The next essential item for this blend is soap powder. The optimal amount for use is 50 grams. I will also use concentrated fabric softener. I will use a lid equivalent to 25 milliliters to bring the blue color to your toilet. In addition, to also act in the removal of bacteria and stains, I will use a sanitary stone to dilute the right way in our mixture. I will also use a grater to finish. I will also add 1 liter of water. Now we must turn on low heat and mix constantly until it has completely diluted all the ingredients and has become a homogeneous mixture. Once it is at this point, we can remove the pan from the fire. To bring the model we need for our mixture, I will use 2 boxes. I'm using these same ones that are milk containers. For use with the help of a knife, I will cut one side of the box this way. This our mixture yields a lot, and only this amount that we are preparing is enough for use for at least 2 months. To finish, just put all the mixture in the 2 boxes and let it rest until it is the ideal texture for use. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Tina Skarvstad from Denmark. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Now we should just remove from the boxes. And with the help of a knife, I will cut into small pieces for use. Every part we cut has its use for at least a week. I'm sure you'll thank me for using this tip. In your home, the use is very simple. We should only put a small part directly in the toilet bowl. The ideal now is to let it rest for at least 20 minutes, and so we can already use the toilet. In addition to the blue coloring, we can also notice the cleanliness and aroma of the clean bathroom. You will never have problems with the smell of urine or even stains on the toilet. I appreciate you watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.